Ever wondered if your eyes are hiding something from you? What if I told you there's a hole in your vision, a literal blind spot, and you've lived your whole life completely unaware of it? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll show you a simple test that proves it's real. Your eye is like a camera. Light enters through the lens, hits the retina, and sends signals to your brain. But here's the twist. There's one tiny part of your retina that has no light detecting cells at all. Zero. It's where your optic nerve exits the eye. Kind of like the cord that plugs your eye into your brain. That spot it can't see. It's called the optic disc, and it's about 1.5 millimeters wide. In terms of vision, that's a black hole. But here's the wild part. You don't notice it. Ever. So, why aren't you walking into walls or missing parts of faces? Because your brain is a genius at lying to you. It uses information from your other eye to fill in the gap. And when you're using just one eye, it blends in the background so smoothly, it's like Photoshop in real time. This process is called perceptual filling in. Your brain doesn't leave blanks. It creates a version of reality that feels continuous, even if it's part illusion. Don't believe me? Let's try a quick test. Take a piece of paper and draw a small black dot on the left and a tiny X on the right, about 6 inches apart. Close your left eye and focus your right eye on the X. Now slowly move the paper toward your face. Somewhere along the way, the black dot will vanish. It didn't move. It didn't disappear. You just found your blind spot. Here's the craziest part. Your blind spot isn't a glitch. It's a design feature. Every single human has it. Yet we move through the world like we see everything perfectly. It's a humbling reminder that what we see isn't always the whole picture, literally. So the next time someone says, seeing is believing, you can say, not always. If you found that fascinating, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more mind-bending facts your brain doesn't want you to know. Thanks for watching Brainy Bytes, where smart gets fun.